Alright, so I have made my second sale for TikTok Shop Affiliate on a brand new account with 0 follower. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to review both the product and the exact video that made the sale. And my purpose of doing this is to just show you that it works and there's no gatekeeping here. So here's the product that made the sale. It's a card game for couples. It's called Date Night Do or Drink. And as you can see here, for each product sold, I would earn 50% in commission, which equals to $10. So that's a pretty high commission. So next, let me show you the exact video. So the video is only 15 seconds long. I actually didn't even speak in the video. So what I did was I just added some text on the top and I just put on a trending music. I'll select it inside of TikTok app, but I have to mute the video when you see it is because the music is copyrighted and YouTube doesn't allow that. So for the next 15 seconds, just watch the video. It will be without the music. So that was the exact video that I posted. So the most important thing to take away from this, so you can make the sales, is that you don't need to make fancy videos in order to generate the sales. You just need to take action and start creating. So my recommendations to you is don't copy me. If you want to run this product, go right ahead, but there are hundreds of other better products and videos that you could easily find on TikTok. Just look at what works, take inspirations from it, and create your own versions of it. So I think that's definitely the way to go. And if you want to learn everything from A to Z about TikTok Shop Affiliate, I've made a video on that, so you can check it out. I will link it down below.